Hello, I'm Sam. So I'm going to be reviewing the Revolutionary ChatGPT Guide, and I received an advanced review copy for free, and I'm leaving this review voluntarily. So I'm going to read my review to you. Hope you enjoy. The Revolutionary ChatGPT Guide, How to Effectively Use AI Algorithm to Generate Human-like Language, is the ultimate tool to propel your business to new heights. This book exceeds being a basic manual. It's an infinite wealth of knowledge and insight into the sphere of productivity and language generation propelled by AI. The author thoroughly examines ChatGPT, delving into its potential uses across different sectors and offering suggestions to optimize its effectiveness. Whether you're a writer, marketer, or engaged in customer support, you'll encounter numerous practical techniques to utilize ChatGPT's abilities. The book provides a comprehensive explanation of how to utilize ChatGPT, covering task identification, output evaluation, and refinement. It also investigates the multiple writing intentions that ChatGPT can serve, ranging from creative writing to academic writing to humanizing AI-generated content. Additionally, the Revolutionary ChatGPT Guide acts as a productivity manual, detailing methods for overcoming writing obstacles and enhancing your writing process with ChatGPT. It also presents effortless revenue plans comprising blogs, digital products, and content licensing. The guide also guarantees you stay updated with the latest AI language model trends, provides solutions to ChatGPT usage hurdles, and even offers advice on how to monetize your ChatGPT generated content. To put it simply, this book is like a golden ticket to the future of AI language generation. It equips readers with a sound knowledge of this pioneering technology and its potential to immensely enhance effectiveness and produce earnings. Be prepared to be impressed, educated, and stimulated by this innovative guide. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Go check out the book if you were motivated by this review. I really enjoyed it. It was awesome. And thank you again to the author for reaching out and giving me a review copy. I just leave in this review because I believe in their work, and it was great. Thanks.